Hello guys, I'm going to help you with BBC pronunciation. It's not just pronunciation, it can also help you in other ways. Let's get started. ʻwɪlz bicycle. So you have Z sound. ʻwɪlz bicycle, sickle. This is cycle, but this is sickle. Bicycle. So sickle has a flat. So this has a flat tire. Mobile, child, mile, file, tyre. He cannot, one word, he cannot ride it. He has to repair, there is a stress, repair, a puncture. This is not important. A puncture, he does not, it's something like this, shua. It's in Bangla, very little like this, a puncture. The stress is here, puncture. He does not need to. He does not. So it's very short. He does not need to. So this is long. Need to. Pay. The man. So very little sound. The man. The bicycle shop. Something like this. When you are very slow, then it is the man. But this is the man. To pay the man. The bicycle shop, to mend it. Shop. This is sugar, right? Sugar. Shop, to mend it. He can repair it himself. So his stress is here. He has taken, stress is here. Taken out the inner tube. There was a common advertisement on Bangladesh television. Take a break, HRCT break. Take a break, HRCT break. He can repair it himself, themselves, myself. He has taken out the inner tube because the stress is in the beginning. The inner tube. So tube. He has tested it and has found the puncture. The test is easy, long sound, easy, Z sound. You get a bucket of water. So bucket of water, stress is in the beginning. Bucket of water. A little long, but the pronunciation is very interesting. American people make different sound. They say water. So water. If it is a C, do you know this is a C? It can be waters. Right? Waters means a C. And you have other words such as wood. Wood means you know, but wood's different. Woods means forest. Woods means forest. So you get a bucket of water. You blow up the inner tube with, right? American people say with. American people say with. British people say with. A bicycle pump. P is pronounced pump. And put. You have a stress in the beginning. The tube into the water. Bit by bit. This is short, bit by bit, but this one is long. Beat, sheet. You have this shit. So you have sheep. You have ship. Okay. So bit by bit, you move. A little longer. Move the tube. Round till you see, long sound, see, this is C, the same pronunciation, C. You see, this is also A, B, C, long sound, the same thing, C, A, B, C, through the water, you mark the place, long sound, mark the place, where, when, where were you born? Where you born. So this is difficult. Who were born? So you can't understand when somebody asks you this question. Who were born? Place, okay, mark the place where the air is coming. Air is coming out with a pencil, special pencil. So British Council. Last vowels are not usually pronounced. A special it is together. A special pencil, British Council. Will has one of these. One of these pencils. These sound pencils. His father, and this is mother. This is a little different. Mother, father. So this is a long sound. Father. You have long sound. Father. But this mother has given him. The last vowels not pronounced. Given. So give him the book. Give him the book. So he's given him a repair outfit. The pencil is in the outfit. He has marked the place where the puncture is. When the inner tube is dry, inner tube, he is going to. I'm going home by boat. Going to stick a rubber patch. You have stress. Rubber patch. This is rubber patch on the puncture. He is going to stick it on. With rubber solution. There are one word. There are some patches, Z sound, patches, and a tube of rubber solution in the repair outfit. When Will has repaired his bicycle, he's going to write it again.